Hello, and welcome to another adventure with ScootyDub. This is part 9 of the BC road trip series. In this episode, Jason and I hike to Butze Rapids viewpoint. It was our last day in town, and this was a nice casual stroll to cap off our time in Prince Rupert. I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching.
The people took the left way though.
Oh, like you said, well, what about that?
Yeah. We're fine.
Just like where we camped the other day.
Like, you see all that mud out there? You can walk way out there.